Now, the first card for today is going to be under Let's Come Over to Mine. So once you come over to mine, you are going to go under PR and team. Yes, go under PR and team. So that is where our first card is going to be. Just scroll down a little bit, scroll down a little bit, scroll down a little bit, and here you're going to see it team. Yes, it team is our first card for today, so just select it and click on Go Ahead. So click on Go Ahead, so we have selected our first card for today. So then our second card for today is going to be under Specials. Yes, come under Specials right there. So once you come Special, come over to New Cards. Yes, once you come over to New Cards, just scroll down a little bit and you are going to see YouTube Good button. YouTube Good button, that is our second card for today. So just pick it and click on Join. So once you click on Join, it's going to actually open a YouTube. This thing for you, just click on Yes. So once you click on Yes, just come over back here and click on Go Ahead. So once you click on Go Ahead, it's going to just open like this. So we have selected the second card for today. So now to select our third card for today, to get our 5 million coin, you need to come over to PR team again. So once you come over to PR team, just scroll down a little bit, and here you are going to see product team. So just click on product team and click on Go Ahead. So that is our third card for today. This is the combo card for today. Find it and unlock it. If you find this video helpful, please give a subscribe to this channel and also turn on notification bell. I'm going to see you later in another video. Bye for now.